Buongiorno, buongiorno. Buongiorno a tutti questi belli signore e signore. Oggi listening Neapolitan 9, lessico e letteratura. Oggi ci divertiamo, we enjoy to check other two very popular words, Neapolitan words and verbs. Abbacars e abbadà. Let's go. Abbacars. Abbacars. Mettersi, verbo riflessivo, reflexive verb form. Mettersi d'accordo, allearsi per operazioni illecite. To deal with somebody, okay, to partner with somebody, to for some illicit scope operations. Denners, I love this scritto Anti-E-R-S-E, Denners, che può risultare, it may be difficult to understand at the first read. Okay, so that's why I put in parentheses in Italian, intendersi, to understand each other, you know. Abbacchete cucchivenza, abbaccato, aggettivo, adjective, alleato, accordato. Abbaccato cucchivenza. Let's say, of course, that is a common advice, no? For the wisdom saying, join a war or a team or a championship, whatever we are talking with, the stronger. Okay, so abbacti, join, to join, with, key, to whom, win, to whom it will be the winner, to is usually the winner. Vens is the vince, is indefinite, is third person, okay, third person, singular. Vence, vence. We never pronounce, we always cut off the last vowel in Neapolitan, okay, the most of the time, okay, so that is important to remember. From the poet Ferdinando Russo, born 1866, 1866, e morta, died 1927 a Napoli, 1927 in Naples. Was era un importante giornalista napolitana e poi è ricordata principalmente per i suoi poeti napolitani in dialetto, ok? Was a prominent Neapolitan journalist, primarily remembered as a dialect poet. Some nice sentence Neapolitan from his works. Ma o macanzesa, cui enno momento che Carlo in Francia sta sulle tramando, scappa, va a combinare un reggimento. I love this, is in the time of war. S'abbacca con soldati della Turchia e marcia su Parigi murmurando. Ma about the Macanzese, is a name, is a person, catching the carpe diem, no, as we used to say, we use this saying, this famous saying, catch the moment, catch the occasion that Carlo Infrangi is just trembling, she's afraid, she's scared, is scared. Run away. And va a Kubina, go to organize a regiment, okay, reggimento, okay. Sabak co Surdan della Turchia, si he joined, he partnered with a soldier, a Turkish soldier, and marched towards Paris, murmuring, murmuring, talking alone, complaining by himself. Again, Giovanni Damiano, we encountered already this point. Giovanni Damiano. Now, quando gente te se ne è scordata, a storia, ossaia e senza capa e cora, si è abbaccata con una razza e fora, scordando so bene lo passato. Wonderful, this sentence, this part. Now, in Neapolitan we use like to say, come facciamo, and now how we deal with, okay, and now what's happened, now like to say why, and now it also can be used as a sense of surprise, of wondering. You are wondering now, a sudden questioning, Quanta gente te se ne è scordata? Reading properly, allora, so of course if you are not Napolitan you would read quanta gente te ne si scordata, but doesn't sound good. So we have to pause, stop, divide the sentences in two, in between te e se, to give a sense, okay? Because now quanta gente is like no. How much people are te like to say now you se ne è scordato. Ok, quanta gente te se ne è scordata? Ok, se ne è scordata. How many people he left behind, he forgot about. Sounds like a betrayal. Okay, and a storia, ossaia, the history, you well know, ossaia, double S, emphasizing. That's why I'm proud of my language. It's very expressive. You really feel your thought, what you want to say, okay? Whatever it could be, a swearing, a strong sentiment, a passionate love sentiment, expression. A storia, ossaia, you well know. E senza capo e cor is without, is lacking head and heart, ok? Si è abbaccata con una razza fuori, returning to the betrayal sense, okay, of this. Ora si è abbaccata, se si è, okay, he partnered, okay, he allianced himself with a foreign a foreign people with the enemy. Okay, una razza is race, but in this case, razza è for di fuori, of outside, of on the outside of the country. Okay, of course. It's scordando so bene il passato, forgetting about his past. Okay, so he spit, he literally spat on his past. Okay, forgetting about the benefits, the good things, the good happening, the good people, friends in his past. Okay, next. Now we change word. We go for abada. That is also a very popular verb in Neapolitan. Badare, porre attenzione. Da, ad, bada. We combine ad, bada in abada. Okay, doubling the consonant. Okay. For the ligature, okay. Is transitive verb, okay. Marcand falluta, non abbadand res. A failed, a bankrupt merchant, okay, does not, shall not think about interest, okay, mind of his interest. From Ippolito Cavalcanti, Afraol 1787, è ancora viva. Ippolito Cavalcanti, born Afragola, that is province of Naples, 1787, contemporary, still alive. Per lo stesso numero di persone, pigli una misura e mezza e reniemicoli, che sarebbero le lentils, le lenticchie, ok? E niemicola. Ma kill young, white, perché ci stanno pure in ira e fanno lo stesso affetto relipisiella. Questo poi non c'è niente per conoscere. Allora, this is more archaic, no? This is a really classic novel Neapolitan language. So it should be read in a different way. Okay, if we want to read in two ways, this allora. The way how it's written is different from the contemporary. There are some differences. For example, per lo stesso. Che noi oggi, that today nowadays we say pustes. But here on a poem side, we should read pelustes. Then now we combine pustes. Okay, pustes. Number, de persona, repersona. Of people, piglia una misura, calculate, you get one measure and half of lentils. Piglia una misura e mezza, nowadays a mezza, ok, o e mezza. It's not, also for us Neapolitan, it's a bit tricky to understand sometimes, depends on the period, okay, of the opera, of the author, okay, who is the writer, the poet. So we can read a mezza, or we can read here, I feel to be more correct, a mezza. femminile, feminine, but still shading the last vowel. Okay, e mezza, e mezza. Or a miezza, ma miezza is more on the masculine. Siccome la misura, since the mesura, a misura, is a kind of measurement metering, okay? So we read na misura e mezza, nemmicola, lentils. Ma retilianga, but please be careful. Must be of those white beans, lentils, sorry. Perché? Why? Because ci sono, there are the black ones too, pure too, also, li need the black. E fanno lo stesso affetto dell'IPCL, e fanno lo stesso effetto dell'IPCL. Also here, you see, this is an old, ancient Neapolitan, e fanno lo stesso affetto. Affetto in Italian means affection, okay, to be fond. But here affetto is written affetto with A, but is pronounced affetto. O stesso effetto is muting the first vowel. Why? Because is connected junction with the stesso, the same. Here, when it comes, I want you to note this, when it comes to this older and traditional Aulic Neapolitan, you will find many more words exactly like Italian, okay? That what you don't find on the same numbers of the contemporary Neapolitan. Lo stesso effetto relipisiel, or we may say nowadays repisiel. But if we want to read, to follow the metric precisely, we should read relipisiel, okay? Or repisiel, okay? Chisti, these ones, po, then, no is an interrogative negative expression. No. Non c'è, non c'è niente, okay, it's easy to recognize, okay? There is nothing complicated, okay? Non c'è vo is vuole, needed, okay? Is not needed anything to recognize, okay, so to discern the black from the one lentils. Tarracumana Santa Lucia, I recommend you to Santa Lucia. Vide and check and look carefully si sogliangonira if they are white or black. Abada pur si Stanley Papsch, i Papsch. Leggere Stanley Papsch is much more on some other southern region of Italy pronunciation, okay, tone, okay. That is, as I was saying before, is typical of the Neapolitan Aulic traditional academic Neapolitan used in the 16th, 17th, 18th century. Okay, so if we want to keep on the pure Neapolitan pronunciation, we have to say Stanley Papsch, but here is written Li Pappici, okay, because this is the root from Latin that has been then in the centuries, in the various literarian periods, transformed, changed, okay, upon to the actual needs of the literature, okay, the various regions of South Italy, Italy, and also Tuscany, for example, no? So, stanno lì i pappici, ora stanno i pappici. Il pappicio o pappicio è il tonchio in italiano. In English is the weevil, okay, those insects eating the grain and legumes. E questo pure non c'avevo niente, perché saperne per tusella. And for doing this, also, it's very easy, nothing difficult, non c'avevo niente, perché? Because you can perceive the small holes, okay, provoked left by the weevil. Ok, per toselle, small holes. I love Napolitan. Amazing. E questa pure non ci va niente, perché si verano e per tosella. Ok, let's play a little bit with the English. And this one, and these two does need anything, does need an effort. Because you can see small holes. Another poet, Rocco Galdieri, poeta e giornalista napoletano, 1877 a 1923. Perché quando il caffè si è abbrustolito e spanno il fumo e segna come marita, quando è un momento non abbada spesa. I love this. That is it's a moment, a family moment of a random couple in Italy, okay, in the everyday life. Perché quando un caffè si è abbrustolito, because when the coffee is comes toasted, spanno fumo and spread the smoke, the scent, okay? E segna come marita means there is a sign, there is the evidence that the husband si apostrophe o marito, che il marito. We have already seen this one, okay? For apheresis, we truncate, we omit the consonant to LO, lo marito, that is becoming il marito in Italian, and in the latest Neapolitan becomes o marita, o chiusa, closed O. Quando moment, when it comes the moment, when is the right time, non abbada a spesa, non doesn't care, okay, doesn't care about expenses to spend money, okay, because it's totally inebriated from the coffee scent, and so the wife can take advance the chance to ask to him the money. That is the hidden, my interpretation of the hidden meaning of this that I love so much, you know. Another from the super poet and writer Edoardo Scarpetta, one of the monsters about Neapolitan narrative theater and poems. Poeta e scrittore, poet and writer, and stage writer, the most. 1853 nato e morto 1900 o 1925. 1853 born and died 1925. Pensate che io oggi mi sono un sotto in coppa per poter appurare a casa vostra. L'ha già appurato finalmente e sono venuto senza badare a pericolo, senza badare a niente. She's talking, we are reading of the sentiment of somebody that in the moment that he discovered the location of the house of the beloved, he said he's supposed to be a woman because l'ha già appurato, and when I found it, finally è so venuta, and I came, okay? Venuta is feminine, so supposed to be a woman. It's so venuta, and I came, and I have been, okay? I arrived senza abbada, with no unaware, okay, unaware of dangers, okay, with fear, okay, with no scare, senza abbadare pericoli, senza abbadare a niente, okay. I don't care. She never. Nobody can stop her, okay, senza abbadare a niente. Without looking at anything, okay. Another poet, Raffaele Viviani, author, writer, actor, and musicians. Born Castellammare di Stabia, not really far from my Torre del Greco. 1822, 1822, è morta o 1950, 1950, died. Femmine e niente, abbada come parla, ok? Femmine e niente is like to say, we can translate in a vulgar English like a jerk, like bitch. It's like a mala femmina, no? Like to say without any values, okay? Abbada come parla, check your mouth, okay? Check your mind, check your mouth, okay? Abbada come parla, look how you are at your words, how you talk. Another, Tommaso Pignatelli. That is quite interesting, and that is funny. It's quite ironic because even if not 100% ascertain the truth, but for the press, for the expert, Mr. Tommaso Pignatelli is that he wrote, is author of a series of sonnets, famous sonnets, recently. He was nothing else than our former president, Italian president, Giorgio Napoletano, that beside the surname, he was really Napoletano indeed, okay? Later, when some journalists put on light this news, the president denied, maybe because he doesn't want to mix the political life, especially being the president, with his own private life. But looks that 90% is true. Okay, so that is quite interesting. Si proprio, bella mia, una buona pezza, cabada solo sentimento suo. This is from the Tommaso Pignatelli, uh, from Giorgio Napoletano alias Tommaso Pignatelli, okay, disguised as this generic unexistent Tommaso Pignatelli. Si proprio, you are really, okay, proprio or proprio in italiano, we use like to emphasize, something we want really to say. Bella mia, my dear, that literally translated means bella, everybody knows. No, bella in Italian means beautiful. Bella. Bella mia, but in this case we can say my dear, it's a quite of an ironic way to say beautiful, okay? It's not really to say bella because you want to really say beautiful, no. In this case, my dear, like to say you want to cheat me, but my dear, bella mia. Una buona pezza, una furba, you are very wise, okay? You are, buona pezza is... bona is buona, okay, good. Pezza is a rug, okay, is a rug, is a fabric. The combination of buona pezza is a combined word, like an adjective that dispregiatively want to say you are a bad smart, lady, una buona pezza, cabada solo o sentimento suo, who cares, cabada, abbadare, badare, who cares, ch, is che, la quale, ok, who, abbada, cares, solo, only, just only, a o al, il sentimento suo. Now, how it sounds a il is cacophonic, doesn't sound good. So, but in Neapolitan, since the article becoming o, a o sentimento, it sounds good, it's well ligated, okay? It's a good ligature, a o connection, okay? It sounds better, okay? So, a o sentimento suo, or we can even omit the a. Sulo sentimento suo. Okay, in Neapolitan we also have this musical muted sounds, or combined vowels that it help us to give a different, our very own tone. Okay, ao sentimento suo. Another, Roberto De Simone, that is another a prominent character, a celebrity in the of Neapolitan scene. Is a writer, a composer, okay, born 1933 in Naples. Uè, Tete René, a parla come parla, se no a chianella te la faccio trasi per bocca. Uè, Tete René is a kind of like to say, hey you, it's some expression like to say, we have a lot of this in Neapolitan, ok? Uè, Tete René, che può essere anche un nome modificato, ok? Uè, Tete René, abbada come parla, watch your mouth, ok? Care of how you talk. Se no, a chianella te la faccio trasì per bocca. Because I forgot la chianella. Chianella, I forgot, guys, you know. It's not really difficult, la chianella, but now I have again a lapsus chianella. Questa chianella, okay, I will write down in the note. Te la faccio trasì per bocca. I will put in your mouth. Okay. I would translate in English is very in a very vulgar way. No, but I don't like to use the very vulgar strict language English that I know very well. Don't worry, guys. Again, the poet Bruno, College Napoli. This is amazing. I finished this page with this one. I love it. It's very beautiful. Caleggia una poesia e a te rammenda, guardandola soltanto a parte fuori, senza badà si te non ho calore. This is can be me, that I am not really an academic Neapolitan, so but I like so much to try to read as better possible Neapolitan poem. Okay, but then I realized that I don't give the proper justice. So I can say that like this, that I read a poem and I fix in my mind, but I read this poem cold in a cold manner, in a cold way, okay? Solamente, only from the outside, a parte for, part of the outside, literally translated, okay? For in Italian is fuori, outside, on the outside of the core of the poem. Okay, senza badà, without caring, without understanding, without caring if my reading is read in a soulful way that I can really convey the sentiment of the poem. Okay, si ten or no if my reading got or not the feel, okay, the soul, okay, that is amazing. I really like this one. All right, guys, I put again the link because these people, the efforts of these people writing these things, research so deeply in these difficult writings, they really deserve credit. So that's why I always put the link from the source I'm reading, okay? Because these people are amazing. They give a priceless content to us, to the viewers, to the passionate of anything. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. See you next. Bye. Ciao, signore e signora. Ancora una volta è stato un piacere immenso. Ok? Io faccio quelle capozze, non sono un accademico, ma tengo una passione incredibile e perciò mi piace, perché questo è un momento pure per me per imparare chi sono a Roveng, ok? This is a moment where I can even learn, okay, trying to explain to you about my Neapolitan, but it's a moment also for me to learn, to better understand in the research of my origin, my place, my birthplace, my culture. So that's why I'm very happy and passionate in doing this. Thank you very much, guys. Ciao.